Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're taking a closer look at the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster PIVOT VAC Handheld Vacuum. This cordless, rechargeable, and ultra-portable vacuum aims to offer flexibility, strong suction, and convenience for cleaning small spaces, whether at home or in your vehicle. If you're tired of bulky vacuums or constantly having to deal with cords, the PIVOT VAC might just be the handheld vacuum you've been looking for. Let's break down the features and see if it's a good fit for your cleaning needs. The BLACK+DECKER dustbuster PIVOT VAC is powered by a 20-volt max Tara lithium-ion battery. This is a major plus since lithium-ion batteries are known for their longevity and consistent power delivery. Whether you're tackling dust and crumbs around the house or cleaning your car interior, this vacuum promises to keep its suction strong throughout the job. The vacuum features a cyclonic action system, which is designed to keep the filter clean, ensuring strong suction performance for longer periods. One of the standout features of the PIVOT VAC is its pivoting wide mouth nozzle. This nozzle rotates 200 degrees, giving you greater control to access tight spaces and clean large debris without struggling. You won't have to worry about limited angles, as this vacuum lets you adjust it to a wide range of positions, making cleaning a bit more intuitive. The 2-in-1 design includes an extendable crevice tool and a flip-up brush, perfect for reaching those hard-to-reach spots or cleaning upholstery and pet hair. The built-in accessories are cleverly integrated, making it a versatile tool for tackling various messes in your home and car. In terms of user-friendliness, the dustbuster PIVOT VAC is light, weighing just a few pounds, making it easy to hold for extended periods. The ergonomic design ensures you won't feel fatigued while cleaning, and the portability makes it a great option for those who want to quickly clean up a mess without lugging around a larger vacuum. The translucent dust bowl is easy to empty, which means you won't have to guess when it's time to clean it out. Plus, the washable filter makes maintenance a breeze. Real-world use is where this vacuum shines. During testing, the suction held up remarkably well, even when picking up larger crumbs or pet hair on both hard floors and low-pile carpets. The pivoting nozzle proved especially useful when cleaning between car seats, as it allowed me to reach narrow areas with ease. Cleaning stairs and upholstery was also a smooth process, thanks to the flip-up brush and crevice tool. However, it's not perfect for heavy-duty cleaning, like picking up deeply embedded dirt in thick carpets or cleaning large surface areas, which is to be expected from a handheld vacuum. Now let's talk pros and cons. The major pro here is the suction power. Despite its small size, the 20 volts max lithium-ion battery does a solid job of maintaining suction throughout the cleaning process. Another plus is the pivoting nozzle. It adds a lot of flexibility when you need it most. The extendable crevice tool and flip-up brush are convenient and make the PIVOT VAC versatile for everyday cleaning tasks. On the flip side, the vacuum could use a larger dustbin capacity. For more extensive cleaning sessions, you may find yourself emptying the bin multiple times. Also, while it does an excellent job on small debris and pet hair, it may struggle a bit with larger particles, especially on higher pile carpets. The runtime, though decent, may not be enough for long cleaning sessions, especially if you're working in a large area like a full-size home. In terms of value for money, this vacuum is solid, especially for its price point. It's an ideal choice for those who need a lightweight, portable vacuum for quick cleanups or for cleaning cars. Compared to other handhelds in the same category, like the Dyson Humdinger or the Shark WV201, the PIVOT VAC stands out in terms of maneuverability, attachments, and price. However, if you need something with more power for larger homes or carpets, there are alternatives to consider that may offer a bit more raw suction power or larger bin capacity. When we talk about build quality, the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster PIVOT VAC is impressively durable for its price range. The materials feel sturdy, and the plastic doesn't feel cheap or flimsy. The cyclonic action does a good job of preventing the filter from clogging, ensuring that performance stays strong over time. Maintenance is straightforward as well. Cleaning the filter and emptying the bin is quick and hassle-free. Although I haven't had direct experience with BLACK+DECKER's customer service on this product, the company has a decent reputation for after-sales support. You're also covered by a 2-year limited warranty, which provides some peace of mind if you encounter any issues with the vacuum. Wrapping things up, the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster PIVOT VAC is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a portable, easy-to-use handheld vacuum that can handle everyday messes without hassle. It's ideal for smaller spaces, quick cleanups, or anyone looking for a vacuum to keep their car neat. Its lightweight design, rotating nozzle, and handy attachments make it versatile, while its suction power is more than enough for light-duty tasks. However, if you're after something with more power for deep cleans or large spaces, you might want to consider other options. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and remember, the link to get this product is in the comments box below. If you own the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster PIVOT VAC or have any questions about it, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Goodbye until next time, and keep your spaces clean the BLACK+DECKER way.